Sometimes I wonder when everything changed so much. We had dreams, smiles, a world just for us. But now it's only silence, silence that screams. Memories that ache and an emptiness that never fades. I search for your shadow, your laughter, but all that remains is the question: was it worth it? You walked away and time stood still. I see your face in the cold rain's chill. Your voice still lingers deep in my soul, but the distance between us becomes a closed door. A life without you, just shadows and pain. A day without your smile breaks my heart again. The world is silent without your sound, and I wonder where our song first found its ground. The nights are long and the dreams feel heavy. Your image remains